Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Please welcome on stage the campaign ambassador Kareena Kapoor Khan. So Kareena, what motivated you to you joined this Swasth Immunized India campaign?
So, of course, I have to say that since the birth of Taimur, I've always said that my life is actually in his hands because he is my life. So the most important thing I think a mother wants is the safety of her child, the well-being of her child. I think we all know that as a family, when you know that somebody falls sick, especially when a newborn or a child falls sick, I think the impact is, it's even worse than I think when an elder falls sick. I think there's just that thing. So when I was being a mother today and Taimur being, on his vaccination journey, when I realized and I did a lot of research, I kind of educated myself about these vaccinations, I realized that if there's a chance that we can help our child from actually combating infections and fatal diseases, why not help everyone, like it says, on the length and breadth of India? I think there would be that connect, I'm sure. Every young mother, every parent will have that connect with me because it's something that I'm experiencing right now. I mean, for a second also, I mean, if I think that, there is something that I can protect my son from, why not do it? So the idea is that to educate people, to educate the masses, to kind of make them believe in these immunizations, in these vaccinations. And I'm so happy that, we have Adar and Natasha, apart from being dear friends, being such amazing people to kind of take on this cause and to just, want people to come out there, vaccinate themselves, get themselves immunized, get their children immunized. I think that is just something that I couldn't say. It's an absolute no-brainer for me to be a part of this wonderful campaign.
Natasha, you are a mother too, and क्यों ऐसा लगता है कि इंडिया में mothers realize this only जब ये बात awareness के साथ mass media में आए?
Well, I think it's not only mass media. I think mothers from 10 years ago also, it's social media, which has created, I mean, it's very educative as well, but at the same time, there's a lot of questions that come out. That's where Adar's point on false news came up. It's always more, it grabs more attention to say something, oh my God, do you know what happened? Or you're trying to create drama about something. But the facts have proven that vaccines have not caused autism, have not hurt children, that do prevent life-threatening diseases. So to me, I don't understand why a mother would cross-question it, but as a mother myself, I've had a lot of school moms have discussions, a lot of teachers, a lot of principals, is it right for them to get this MR vaccine, or is it right for them to get another, why should they be vaccinated again, etc. The fact is that it's a booster to the already, the MMR vaccine that every pediatrician gives. Why are we questioning pediatricians? Why are we questioning health authorities when they know, they obviously have degrees and they know better than us, and why are we not trusting it? This is my question as a mother to other mothers.
Dr. Nitin, ये क्या है social media के आने से? I mean, Ada raised this point that social media के आने से जो पहले जो awareness थी उसमें भी ये problems खड़ी हो रही हैं क्योंकि अलग-अलग तरह के myths फैलाए जा रहे हैं. आपको you see that in patients कि लोग पूछते हैं कि ये कहीं ऐसा तो नहीं हो जाएगा, वैसा तो नहीं हो जाएगा?
So first of all, I think I would like to stress that immunization is one of the most cost-effective public health measure ever invented by mankind. While we know breastfeeding, clean environment, hand hygiene, good nutrition are part and parcel which are told to us from ages. But immunization is something which we have invented. And I think if it can save lives at a throwaway price, why not? And that is where the question comes as to why one would not take a vaccine. And that's the question that is being discussed. And I would say that there are 3 or 5 A's that are very important. First is awareness. parents may want to give good health to the child, but they are not aware, especially if they are uneducated, especially if there is a poor female literacy. If a mother is educated, no matter what the family would say, the mother would take the child to the center and immunize. Right?
I'll just add on there. ये awareness में ही सवाल है कि awareness होने के बाद भी when you get these myths through social media, तो वो awareness के लिए awareness कराने के लिए भी तो problem create करते हैं.
Correct. So I think that's where the role of experts come and some celebrities come. If Kareena says a vaccine is safe, it is safe. Whether I say or I don't say. That is the bottom line. Right.
I think that is the case with the polio campaign as well. I think Mr. Bachchan, people have heard and read, sorry to interrupt you, that where people actually would see the campaign and hear Mr. Bachchan's voice and they would say that he would say it, उन्होंने बात इतनी stern तरह से कही, जिस तरह से उन्होंने campaign की
और वो जंग हमने जीती.
Exactly. And people actually got scared that if we don't go into the vaccination camps, Mr. Bachchan will be angry. That was the kind of fear that people had. And look at it today. I think we're nearly, I mean, you know, it's eradicated completely. So that is the level of kind of voice
so
that
I
we can
add to that then comes the role of the experts. And we use the media to a lot of extent for the MR campaign, where I myself put a video 3 months before the MR campaign was to start on my Facebook account, and I have more than 5,000 followers, and they resent the, and I could hear people from all nooks and corners saying that I saw your video on my WhatsApp group of school or society or something, and that gave messages. After that is backed up by a celebrity saying the same, and then people going to their pediatrician or their family physician who reiterates the faith in the vaccine and the safety of the vaccine. I think this myths or the wrong information that comes to media actually doesn't serve the purpose. In the sense, it dies off. People understand that that's written for the sake of it. And that's where I have the fervent plea to the media people here, that when you write anything, first bring out the positive aspect, which are 99.9%. There might be 0.1% problem here and there, but do not blow it out, because that leads to damage to the community.